so much for tuning in to my channel. It's been a busy holiday season and it's not over yet. I know that I have just not been making videos, but believe me, when I am not making videos, I am behind my sewing machine making wigs and hair units. And that is what I have been doing. I mean, lots and lots of custom hair units, and I just haven't had time to video. I still have several units to finish. I love creating and making these hair units because they are helping so many women with hair loss. Like my client today, who has come a long way for me to install the hair unit that I made just for her. One of my favorite things when I'm not sewing, I do generally love to cook.
You should eat the rest of these greens. You want some more?
Mm-mm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, this is beautiful.
Okay, Ellery Pray. I love her last name, Pray, P-R-A-Y. I feel so spiritual next to her. I do, I really do. I've felt that ever since you contacted me. Perfect. Mm-hmm. Thank you. From her husband, he says it looks nice. That's the ultimate compliment. I want to make sure our guys love our hair too.
Yeah.
And I mean, it fits, the shape of her head perfectly.
It does. I did her an Afro kinky hair unit. Ellery also sews and she does hair as well. So this is going to be an easy unit for her to maintain because she'll know what to do. Because you are a quilter, right?
Yes. One crafter to another.
One crafter to another. That is exactly right. That's beautiful. Oh, and I wish she was here so she could help me. Hair units I have to get out. She is absolutely stunning with and without her glasses.
That's nice.
That's nice.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh,
I have enjoyed. Thank you.
That is a transformation.
Oh, it is a beautiful
Nice.
transformation, and it has been my pleasure. Ellery and her gentleman husband have traveled all the way from New Jersey for me to install her unit. All right, trucker. Well, I already told him that truck, I knew your head was probably under that hood. Okay. All right, baby. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.